So today, we are going to, what in the world? Today we're going to clean the outside of the RV. Hey guys.
Alright, we gotta clean this out. This got dirty. Get that wet, please. Okay. Alright, so John, Meg, and no one. He's not on the video. You can't see him. He's an invisible man. So anyways, you roll it on there, you put it on there, applicate it, and then roll it up for 5 minutes. So, and then you take it down and scrub it. And if you look, show them that, how bad it is. It's horrible, especially over there. So that's like where it's folded. And where it's folded, it just, the water sits in a little opening in Florida. We bought this thing for people in Florida, and it was like this. So, but I gotta say that if you're using this and you got a black awning, don't do this. Go get something else. Like Camco's got one, some other people, but you don't want bleach in the black one, otherwise it's not gonna be black anymore. It's gonna look horrible, and they're expensive. All right, so let's put some of this stuff on. Noah, can you bring that bucket kind of close to me, please? Yeah, thank you. So we're actually gonna wash the RV after this, because we're going to be getting bleach. Oh, look at that. It's already doing it a little bit, huh, Mom?
Yeah.
Watch out, Mom.
A lot.
Swinging stuff.
Game changer.